Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It's fantastic to have you here for my first crossbow video ever. Today I'm really excited as I will unbox my brand new Man Kung XB58 FC. It is a super fast and powerful compound crossbow. Please take a look at all its specs in the description here below. Anyway, its main features are the following: 405 feet per second, 123 meters per second, using a 400 grains dart, 14.5 inches power stroke, aluminum barrel and fiberglass limbs, and some useful accessories, as a 4x32 scope, sling, quiver and 4 carbon darts. It is sold under different brands as Man Kung, he is also the producer, Centerpoint Archery, Scorpion and others, and under different names as Amped, Hit, Patriot, XBC420 and so on. You can find it on sale sometimes at incredibly low prices. Enough talk, let's unbox it. This is what I received. A big box packaged with brown paper and mankung.nl tape. Okay, here we are. One corner of the box is crumpled. I hope everything is okay inside it. On the box there are some of the specs and the pictures of the included accessories. Let's break the seal. The first thing I can see is the 6 aluminum darts blister I ordered with the crossbow. This is not included in the basic kit. Then we have the stock and the barrel. It is a pistol grip with adjustable buttstock and adjustable cheek comb. This is the string wax. The spare string, also not included in the kit. The parallel quiver for 4 darts that can be mounted on the right or on the left of the barrel. The sling. The box of the scope, the 4 carbon darts included in the kit, one of the field tip seems missing. Here it is. Great. Then we have the cocking stirrup. And the actual bow. The box of hardware, and the owner's manual. I still have to open 2 boxes. First, the scope. It is a 4x32 not illuminated reticle with 4 crosshair for dart drop compensation. Then the hardware box. Inside it we got the rope cocker, the quiver support, and some other small parts, bolt and Allen screws. Oh, and there is also the rail lube. String and cables are well waxed out of the box. That's all. The overall quality seems good to me. There are few bores that can be cleaned with some fine sandpaper. The forest camo painting is very well done. Everything is well squared and aligned. The adjustable stock could be better. It rattles a little. Maybe I will try to silence it. I'm confident that this crossbow will perform well. Be sure to stay tuned for more crossbow videos. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, thank you for watching.